Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Malwarebytes for identity and malware detection. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Malwarebytes website. Once on the home page, look for the download button and click it. This will lead you to the download page. Select the version of Malwarebytes suitable for your operating system. Click on the download button again to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete, and then locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, launch the Malwarebytes application. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, choose the option to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and a secure password. Make sure to check the box to accept the terms and conditions before continuing. Click the Create Account button to submit your information. After your account is created, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Malwarebytes. Click on the link to confirm your email address. Return to the Malwarebytes application once your email is verified. Log in using your newly created account credentials. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings, look for the option related to identity and malware detection. Enable the features that best suit your needs for protection. After configuring the settings, click Save to apply the changes. Run a system scan by selecting the Scan option in the main interface. Wait for the scan to complete and review any threats that are detected. Follow the on-screen prompts to quarantine or remove any identified malware. Your Malwarebytes account is now set up for effective identity and malware detection. You are ready to enjoy a safer browsing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.